right, this is what we're dealing with today, guys. The new salted toffee fudge blizzard from Dairy Queen. I don't know how long it's been out. I think it's been out a few weeks. It's not like the blizzard of the month or anything like that, but by the sound of it, it sounds like it could be a blizzard of the month, because salted toffee and fudge pieces. So it has salted toffee pieces, then it's like it said decadent fudge pieces. So it's got the salted toffee pieces, the fudge pieces, and caramel sauce blended with that regular Dairy Queen soft serve. The flavors sound awesome. All right, so the toffee pieces are, it's like the same kind of toffee that's in the Heath bar. Well, they have the Heath blizzard, but you know, you can really taste the salty, salted areas of that toffee. You can taste the salt. I guess that's what I'm really trying to say, is you can taste the salt, which balances really, really good with the sweet of that candy toffee. And then pretty good size fudge pieces. And the fudge pieces are, I was kind of expecting maybe it just to be like little pieces of just like chocolate type, like chocolate morsels or something like that, but it is actually, that's one chunk. That is one whole piece. They didn't skimp on the size of those fudge pieces. I mean, it's like the fudge that you would just go into a fudge shop and get. And the sea salt actually like bounces off of that chocolatey fudge as well. Man, this is really good. This one needs to be November. It needs to be the November blizzard of the month, unless they're going to do like a turkey and gravy, like a turkey and gravy blizzard for November. But yeah, this one definitely needs to be a blizzard of the month. All the flavors in this thing is just like perfectly balanced together. The chocolate, almost like a buttery, nutty flavor from the toffee pieces. And then that sea salt, it just like brings all the flavor out, just really enhances it, brings all the flavor out. All right, guys, so the salted toffee fudge blizzard from Dairy Queen, I didn't even know they had it. Did you know they had it? Because if you didn't know they had it, I didn't know they had it. Together, we didn't know they had it. I walked into Dairy Queen, I saw it on the menu up top, new blizzards. They had this one, they had a chocolate covered strawberry, and I think the Reese's Pieces and fudge or something like that. But this was just on the menu under new blizzards. I said, I got to give it a try. I'm glad I did. I love the flavors with this one. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10 for me, this one's going to get an 8.1. I would recommend go give it a try. If you like that Heath, like the Heath bar flavor, that's what you're getting with this. Add a little sea salt to it. You got the chocolate flavor coming from that fudge. It's a good, creamy, chunky pieces of fudge. I'm surprised with the sizes that they put in there. But yeah, I would recommend this one. I'd say go give it a try. If you've tried it, leave some comments. Let me know what you thought. Hit that thumbs up. It helps the channel out. Whether you like this video or not, just hit the thumbs up anyway. It helps. Subscribe if you haven't. You'll catch the next video. At least you'll be notified of it. But yeah, that's my view of the salted toffee fudge blizzard. Surprisingly, well, I was going to say surprisingly good. It was a nice surprise to find it. It sounded good, and it was. With that, I say good day.